Okay, question 19. Now, if you notice this here, they give you the answer to 9.4 times 54, which equals this. And then they've got this question. What is this? Use this fact here to work out this. Well, if you think about it here, all that's different to this question compared to this is that we've got 94 now instead of 9.4. And if you think about it, to get 94, you've got to make that 10 times bigger, haven't you? You've got to make it 10 times bigger. In fact, you're multiplying this by 10, okay? Well, if you're multiplying this by 10 to get 94, you've also got to make the other side 10 times bigger as well. Okay, so you've got to multiply that by 10. If you multiply that by 10, it's the same thing as like moving the decimal point. Okay, so you end up having 5076. Okay, so that's kind of how we go about that there. Now part B, right? Now part B, we could actually use part A to help us with part B, because if you notice part B, 94 times 5.4. If you look at part A, we've got 94 there in place, but 54 has suddenly gone to 5.4. Now ask yourself, what have we done to 54 to get to 5.4? Well, we made it smaller, haven't we? We've made it 10 times smaller. Okay, so we divided it by 10. So it'd be the same as like dividing this by 10 then, because if you divide this by 10, right, in other words, 94, as I said, stays the same as it is from part A. But now you've sort of divided this by 10, haven't you? Okay, but if you divide the left side by 10, you've also got to divide the right side by 10 as well. Okay, and if you divide that by 10, it gets 10 times smaller, as if the point moves this way. So you get 507.6. Okay, and the last one is actually really easy because it's just an arrangement, right? It's just an arrangement of this equation here. Okay, so think about algebra, right? You've got to divide by 9.4 here, but if you think about this here, all right, if we've got this, okay, well, they've got 507.6 divided by 9.4. That's just like taking 9.4 over the other side, because you're timesing here. If you take it over, you'd be dividing, wouldn't you? Just using a bit of algebra. It's exactly dividing there. It's exactly what we've got here. So the answer is 54.